Quick-Stack Smart Stackers from Simpro Handling Equipment are the only stackers with a built-in height sensing system, radically improving safety and efficiency in your workplace. The sensor detects the height of the load and automatically adjusts the fork position up or down to ensure maximum efficiency and operator safety. This feature offers significant benefits wherever product is manually loaded onto or taken off pallets. Here's how easy it is to use. To load product onto a pallet, fully raise the forks, then select Auto Down. Use the sensor adjustment dial to set the working height to a more comfortable level. Place the first carton or package immediately in front of the sensor. The forks will automatically go down until the sensor sees the top of the carton. Finish stacking this layer, then place the first item of the next layer in front of the sensor. Repeat one layer at a time until complete. To unload product off a pallet, pick up the full pallet, then select Auto Up by pressing the top of the auto switch. Adjust the working level if required by turning the sensor adjustment dial. Once the top of the stack is below the sensor height, the load will automatically rise to the preset level. Generally, the last item removed from each level should be the one just in front of the sensor. The Quick-Stack range covers lift heights from 1 metre to 2.4 metres and weight capacities from 1 tonne to 2.5 tonnes. Custom sizes are also available on request. Quick-Stack Smart Stackers are normally battery powered but can be mains powered or even compressed air powered for use in hazardous areas. Other options include custom fork or outrigger configurations, full or partial stainless steel construction for hygiene critical areas. Self-propelled models are also available. The large diameter steered rear wheels and specially molded outrigger wheels ensure that Quick-Stack stackers are very easy to move and steer, even with loads up to 2.5 tonnes. The park brake is easy to use and effective. Quick-Stacks are virtually maintenance-free. All parts are zinc-plated before assembly, ensuring they look and work well even after years of service. The Quick-Stack is the combined result of more than a quarter of a century of manufacturing experience, innovative design, quality components, and expert workmanship. Quick-Stacks meet or exceed relevant international quality and safety standards. When you choose a Quick-Stack, you can be assured that your investment is reliable, efficient, economic, easy to use, and most importantly, safe.